Welcome to Legit Internet Income. Here we show you real ways to make money online. No fluff, no scams. Times are tough right now. The cost of living just keeps going up, but you don't have to settle for just getting by. Did you know you can actually make up to $800 a day just by using your phone? That's right, $800 a day, and I'm going to show you how. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 hidden apps that can help you make real money online. No special skills or experience needed. Smash that like button down below. It really helps more people discover the channel and learn about these money-making opportunities. Now let's get right into it. Alright, the first app on our list today is for all you musically inclined hustlers out there. We're talking about BandLab, a game changer if you're into creating beats, instrumentals, or any kind of music. BandLab gives you all the tools you need to make music right from your phone and lets you sell it too. You can upload your beats and instrumentals to the BandLab marketplace and start making money from other artists looking for fresh sounds. You can also license your music through BandLab, earning royalties every time someone uses your track. Download BandLab and start turning your passion into profit. On average, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 per beat, depending on its quality and demand. Licensing your music can bring in additional income, with royalties ranging from a few cents to several dollars per play. Next up, we've got an app that's perfect for all you keyboard warriors out there. If you can type, you can make money with TaskTyper. This platform connects you with clients who need help with various typing tasks. Businesses and individuals are always creating content that needs typing, and that's where you come in. TaskTyper lets you choose from tasks like transcribing audio files, writing short articles, or editing documents. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. The more tasks you complete, the more money you make. Start making money on your own terms with TaskTyper. Potential earnings can vary, but many users report making between $50 to $200 per day, depending on the number and complexity of tasks. With dedication and consistency, you could even reach up to $800 a day. Now, for all you sports fanatics out there who think you can predict the next big upset, this one's for you. Betstamp is an app that takes the guesswork out of sports betting by helping you find the best possible odds across multiple sports books. Instead of jumping between different betting apps, Betstamp does all the hard work for you. It pulls in the latest odds from all the major sports books and presents them to you in one easy-to-use interface. This means you can quickly compare odds for any game or match and see exactly where you're getting the most bang for your buck. Betstamp also provides valuable insights and analytics to help you make smarter betting decisions. Think of it as your personal sports betting advisor, guiding you towards the most profitable wagers. With Betstamp, you're not just gambling blindly, you're using data and strategy to increase your chances of winning. Download Betstamp and start placing smarter bets today. With Betstamp, you can potentially earn up to $800 a day by making informed and strategic bets. Alright, this next app is for all my fellow travel junkies out there. Have you ever wished you could get paid to travel the world? With FlyPay, it's not as crazy as it sounds. This app gives you cash back on flights, hotels, and even rental cars. Every time you book travel through FlyPay, you earn rewards that you can redeem for future trips, or even cash back directly to your account. FlyPay also has features like price alerts and a travel planning tool to help you find the best deals. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning your next vacation, FlyPay can help you save money and earn rewards on all your travel expenses. It's a no-brainer for anyone who loves to explore the world. Now let's break down the potential earnings. For every $100 spent on flights, you could earn up to $5 in cash back. Hotels and rental cars offer similar rewards, making it easy to accumulate savings quickly. Last but not least, we've got an app that lets you get paid to explore your own city. Premise connects you with businesses and organizations looking for real-time data and insights from your local area. Tasks vary but can include taking photos of specific locations, checking prices at stores, or verifying information of local businesses. Whether you're walking your dog, running errands, or just exploring your neighborhood, you can open up the Premise app and see if there are any tasks available in your area. Turn your daily routine into a side hustle with Premise and make some extra cash while helping businesses gather valuable information. Potential earnings can vary, but users report making anywhere from $5 to $50 per task, depending on the complexity and location. So if you're looking to make some extra money while exploring your city, Premise is a great option. There you have it, guys. 5 more incredible apps that can help you make up to $800 a day, all from the convenience of your phone. No more excuses about not having enough time or needing special skills. These apps make it easy for anyone to start earning extra cash right now. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Legit Internet Income for more weekly side hustle ideas, tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and as always, go out there and crush it.